Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to replace special characters in the source document and load the data. So first I will show my source document. So this is the EMP document, text document. There you find 3 rows and 3 columns. So if you observe the values in the name column and location column, so some special characters have been seen instead of letters. A it is showing at symbol instead of I it is showing exclamatory mark instead of O it is showing 0. Now everywhere in all 3 columns the special characters are seen in the name and location columns. Now I want to replace these special characters with meaningful letters. Instead of at symbol I instead of exclamatory mark and O instead of 0. All these values in the source document, text document. Now I want to use SSIS package, develop the SSIS package to load the data into destination table. So this is healthcare. So right now there is no such table like that. So I need to create one table. I will create at the time of the developing the package. First drag the data flow task and select the flat file source. So browse the file where it is located. So it is located in the EMP text document in the desktop. I am taking this one. I am keeping as this column names in the first data row, and these are the values. These are the columns. Okay. Now I want to take transformation called derived column transformation. If you load the data in the same way, it can load without any issue. It will load, but all the data will appear in the same way with special characters. Now, our intention was to replace these special characters. Okay. For that, I am taking derived column transformation. So here I need to write one expression on these 2 columns. So what is the function we need to here use? Replace. Replace function took 3 arguments. First one is expression or string. Next one is substring. So here I want to replace at symbol. So you have to provide here at symbol, and with which character you want to replace. I want to replace it with A. Okay. So in the name column I want to replace at symbol with A. I am taking one more replace function. So here I am using exclamatory as substring. New character here is I. In the same way I am using one more replace function. So here I am using, I want to replace 0 with O. So this is my expression. See here. So this is string and this is substring. This is new string. So I want to use this replace function to change this substring with the new string. Like this, I will take all 3 special characters. Okay. This is for name function. So here we have also the same special characters in location as well. So I am taking second replace expression with location column name. So here I am writing a second replace function, and now here I am replacing name. Instead of taking the new column, I am replacing the existing columns only. Destination. Take your destination. So here, as I mentioned, so I need to create one new table. What is the table name here? EMP underscore TBL mapping. Okay. Now all set. First check your table here. Select star from EMP underscore TBL. 3 columns but without any data. Now I am executing the package. See here, all 3 rows are loaded from flat file to destination table. Please check your table. The values are replaced as per your expression. So this is the source document and this is the destination table. All these values have been replaced special characters with letters. So this is how you need to write an expression. By writing an expression in the derived column, you can replace the values and load your data into destination. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.